With the treadmill powered off, remove and set aside the 14 screws securing the back and lower console assembly and left and right cup holders to the frame. Reattach the screw without the ground wires to secure the back console assembly to the frame. The ground wires will no longer be attached with this screw. Using a scraper, remove all glue securing the heart rate board to the plastics of the console assembly. Make sure the receiver on the wireless board is facing the user of the treadmill. Secure wireless heart rate board and heart rate board cables with hot glue. Add the clip-on ferrites to the contact heart rate cables on the base frame of the treadmill. And secure the ferrites to the frame using zip ties. Measure and mark 2 inches or 51 millimeters from the original mounting position of the screw used for the ground wire. File or sand off the coating on the frame. Install the self-tapping screw and external washer to secure the mechanism you will use to secure the ground wires to the frame. Reconnect the I/O cable to the upper control board. Connect the contact heart rate cables to the heart rate board. Secure the ground cables in their new location. Reattach the 14 screws that secure the back and lower console assembly and the left and right cup holders to the frame.